Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. What go on, my people? Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just go jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, police has raided dancehall artist Vybz Kartel house again, viewers and subscribers, and this time them come with a claim say at the end of the day scammer live in the house. As you may say, so Tanisha was there and Vybz Kartel's son, which is likkle addi, and also you can hear a female in the background, viewers and subscribers. As you may say, and basically Tanisha say, who is the scammer? Where is the scammer? Why you know always take set pan way and all of them something there? As you may say, so this time the police them come with a search warrant. As I say, but when Tanisha and the rest of family check the search warrant, viewers and subscribers, basically the name on the search warrant wrong, the address wrong, and a particular number. Them never really say which number wrong on the search warrant. As I say, people, so Tanisha they ask them, so at the end of the day, why a full yard alone uno always come and I come create them senior? I take uno take set pan way. As I say, and basically people uno know say the same thing just happened about approximately 2 months ago. As I say, where them did run in upon the artist place and them just pull the door and go in. Them never have no search warrant. Them never wait till nobody come let them in or anything. Them just take off like and everything and go in at the entertainer house. As I say, and this thing when you look upon it, it really look like it's a target thing. As I say, and it even look like you don't know all we are big people. And at the end of the day, we are no fool. As I say, this is definitely a target thing where them target the entertainer family, mostly him two sons them. As I say, which is likkle addi and likkle Vybz people. As I say, and basically when you really look on them thing here, at the same way them did use to target Vybz Kartel. As I know say just in recent time, I think it was about a month ago. As I say, then did also arrest likkle Vybz. As I say, pull him over on the street and go on with the most thing and a search him and a search car and be a thing. As I say, cause me I wanna know, you know, police bad mind in it. As I bad mind when them say a little young you just come and a drive Beamer and Benz and all of them things, and them a work how much years and can't buy them thing the people. As I say, so basically here what I have the video and I go make you check it out for yourself and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section what you think about this situation.
Because the address wrong for me.
Just read it. Just give you right some light. You know, you can see?
Yeah, this is 86, number 1, this wrong.
Yes. Yes.
And where's Tanisha
the name and the JP signature.
No, the number.
The address wrong.
No, the police does not live here. So the name. Listen, Mr. General. The name of the JP name.
Them provoking. Me not see nobody. Me not see no texted for nobody in here. And I be a scammer living in my business. We not texted for nobody like we texted to the yard. We know why use people fat and fry other people. That you know why I do.
You know what? They are going to try to prevent us and carry out this hurt.
Nobody not prevent us. But to not have the wrong warrant. Nobody not try to prevent us. We have the wrong warrant. Well, because them not carry, them not come put nothing and plant nothing. Because that's all them good for dirty police. Them not, what? Because them and two of them are the PP club.
But we are search.
Go for my eye. Go for my eye, you never try.
Hey, we're not going to Tanisha Johnson name, man. Don't worry about it.
No, but that's sure something that the name is
Tanisha Johnson.
And important. When the police get information, that number can make error.
Who are the scammer?
That's information.
Who is the scammer? Yeah, Tanisha Johnson. Them want wild up people like that. Them want do.
I told you before.
Let me go for
Hey, what about the search place? Hey, then get all the information they need. We show them the one, we show them the house, we show them the name of the owner for the premises. Every information is there. If the number is not accurate, there's nothing wrong with that. We show them the house and the casing, everything they will have. So don't worry about it. Just go ahead and search.
You know, there's fluid in there. 50 trees on it.
Hey, lady.
Big clown.
Hey, miss. Go turn out her room.
I can't. I want one move when I'm going at a time. Because we want enough of it to sew when I do. I enough of it.
Bro, wait. A sentence B. Sentence B. Sentence B. So at the second time this happening. Bro, at the same thing when you come up with bro, the second time this happening. Come on the camera, Brittany.
Yes, so that is it, you know, people. You see me? I know so you just watch everything right in the video. So what I want to do now, I want to tell me what you think about all of this. You see me? I say, yeah, you think say at the end of the day, say directly target them a target Vybz Kartel family, especially him son. Because basically if them say them feel like say scammer in the house, so they want to search the place, who them could attack? Because the only two man who live in the house is Vybz Kartel son them. So basically them I say either likkle addi or likkle Vybz addi scammer. You see me I say because of the youth them lifestyle where them a live, because of the wealth of them father. You see me I say. So tell me what you really think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, share your honest thought about this and make we know what go on in our brain. You see me I say, because really and truly the same thing we used to happen to the father, it happen to the youth them right now. You see me I say, and basically Vybz Kartel need to get the youth them out of Jamaica. That is just my opinion still. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, you know, remember I see him so as what I said before, them used to take set from the father, and me I want to say what that lead to. You see me I say, right now the man in a prison. You see me I say, yeah, I don't know, it is unfairly. You see me I say, others may share a different opinion, but the truth is just the truth. You see me I say, so I feel like Vybz Kartel to get him son them out of the country overall. You see me? Yeah, make them go a foreign, go do them thing. You see me? But as what I said before, people, that is just my opinion. More your phone opinion on this topic. You see me? So you don't know, just do the right thing. You see me I say? But coming up in this other video now, people. Well, basically, we all know the feud that is going on with Toddler and General B since recently, where Toddler and General B was in an altercation at Boombox people. You see me I say? And we all know how that pan out, and people come out with whole heap of mixed reaction towards that situation. You see me I say? Enough people basically I say, yo, Toddler wrong and a set up thing, and a set Toddler set up him friend them for this General B. And enough people also come out and them I say, yo, at the end of the day, General B deserve what him get, because at the end of the day, I'm a fussy and him no real and baiting and whole heap of thing did go around. You see me? I say people have different opinion on the situation. You see me? Well, right now, people, I come to tell you that, yeah, you don't know the two man them, General B and Toddler, quell them feud people. You see me? I say, yeah, the two man them apologize to them one another at Boombox. You see me? I say, so at the end of the day, Toddler apologize to General B if he tell him both him mother, because you know, so the suck mother part did come in evil, though Toddler say him never fully tell him to go suck him mother and just say suck. And one time him pre-back him I say no, him can't tell him that, so the mother part never come out. You see me I say? And basically Toddler did also come out and say behind stage General B almost cut out him belly bottom and baiting. But right now the artists them a look past that. You see me I say? And this thing is a good thing for the entertainer them and also dancehall. You see me I say? So basically Toddler make him know say yo, him sorry at the end of the day, and Eva explain to him why him getting at the anger there and where everything a come from, and also General B also have certain things to say back to Toddler too, and also I make Toddler know say yeah, him accepting apology, and him also apologize to him for him behavior to, you see me, because at the end of the day, them a friend for a long time, and you see me, it never did really need these people, you see me I say. And when you look upon it, you have to just say big up to the two man them, because it really takes a man to admit him own wrong, you see me I say, and for evil say sorry, you see me. Yes, so definitely people, them think they are no boy thing, you see me I say, boy I don't know them understanding there, you see me. But anyways people, I have the video, so I'm going to check out the video right now, and then you can drop on your own thoughts down into the comment section about this situation.
When General B, when we take country,
video feeds, video feeds.
My drop, Macri. My drop. Macri, 1 second. No, you can't say that. My time to talk. No, not talk. Toddler. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. Let can't come out. No one in the world. See, I can't be shaitan. No shaitan. Let the people let me see. And brother to you. Brother to you. Brother to you. Brother to you. The son them can't war. The people them can't war. Country come here, son. See? What are they? I just want to correct that. We are not warring. Please don't say the war. It's not war, please. But I want you my artist then, and I want you my social media think a war, no a war. That's something I can't happen.
I know where I do. See, but tell her you need no public, no politics. Or, just like go, the whole public, and the whole world watch this.
The earth is a land and fullness thereof. Without God there is nothing. I do apologize to you. I just want the people to know that I'm so sorry, man. Humblest apology. If I just express myself, or if I talk about, I'm going to talk about the emotion, but sometimes my anger came over me. General being a breakdown. God no, bro, a breakdown. Once a bro, a breakdown, bro. So guess what? If me can't talk how me feel, if me offend the fans and the people that run across the world, I just want to tell them sorry. But I make them know where it's come from, bro. We not war. Remember, say one of our friends take it off on the social and post it. Wait now. I just want the people to know how you feel and where it come from. Bro, I break down. I'm full of tears. My heart is trembling. I feel like I'm too inside of a burst. I have high blood pressure. I break down general. So if I express myself that way then, I may even tell about your mother. I'm so sorry, people. You tell the truth. Listen to me. Go box and now, girl. Me not even general D. Me not even hurricane. Me not even boom box. No, girl.
I accept it. More than accept it. But I mean that a small man subdue and his fortune, and a great man rise above. You know what I'm saying? And just always remember that day. Don't forget that people are them different. And to me understand the whole thing. That's why it's going to be, it's the black of them. So let me see that's going to come. And they expect me to exaggerate and go out with a bag of thing. You know what I'm saying? And tell it to a different level. But it's really intelligent, you know what I'm saying? Even in the macho way.
Yes, so that is it, people. We have come to the end of the video. So I know I want to just see everything will go on in the video. So please remember to drop your honest thoughts down into the comment section and everything we want to see in the video. Yes, may I say, also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do it over here. Yes, peace, love, unity, bless. I'm out.